Ugh. Weird familiar taste. I put some fruit juice in here and then mixed with the water last night, and it was sitting overnight. And I took a sip and it tastes like liquor. I guess because of fermentation. It tastes like beer. I don't know what was in here. I think it was some kind of turmeric and something else. Turmeric juice with turmeric. Was it carrot? Might have been carrot, turmeric, something like that. Some fancy juice my mother buys. She's like, I got this extra. They gave it to me by mistake if you want it. I'm like, okay, I'll drink it. I usually don't buy juice. I mean, sometimes I buy juice, but I'm not a regular juice buyer. And for a split second, I was like, is there alcohol in here? Still alcohol. No, nothing wrong with fermented fruit. Oh, God. I was like, oh, because I remember the last time I've had a drink. It's been years. That's something to pat yourself on the back for. I know you're not supposed to praise yourself, but I'm praising myself for that, okay? Very proud of myself for that. I seriously thought, I was like, is there alcohol? Did I put alcohol? I was seriously questioning myself. I was like, was I like sleepwalking and put alcohol in here? This seriously tastes like beer or something. Don't drink. The devil drinks. It's the devil's drink. The devil drinks.